Power Wheels Batman Kawasaki. It's 12 volt and it goes up to 6 miles an hour. It's for ages 3 to 7. I got the instructions here, Batman. Cool, thanks, Robin. Now let's put this thing together. Here's all the parts and the decals. First, we're gonna put on the front wing fins. Now it's time to put on the rear wing fin. Next up is the rear wheels. The hubcaps. Last thing we need to put on is the decals.
Perfect, guys.
You like this thing, Garrett?
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool. So to make it go, you step on the gas right there, right? And then what does the throttle do?
It makes you go faster. If you pull this down, it makes you go faster, but only when you're pushing the throttle down.
So when you push that down, the throttle here is slow or fast gear, right?
Yeah.
And then what's reverse?
Reverse is you press
Oh, the button's
that down,
on there. Cool.
If you press the pedal, it'll go back.
All right, have fun.